Hey friends, Joshua14 here with another product review. Today we're going to do a trio of products in a PC build, mostly with Be Quiet here. So we have the Pure Loop 2FX 360mm all-in-one PC cooling loop. We have the Pure Power 11 FM 1000 watt fully modular power supply, which is 80 plus gold. And we have the Pure Base 500 FX mid-tower case, which has Lightwings fans, and we're going to have a blast cramming this all in this case. And stay tuned, we'll bring you with it. Alright, so first step we're going to need to do is move these front fans, Lightwings fans that are already installed and already hooked up. We're only able to relocate 2 out of the 3, and we're going to put them on the top of the case. So once we do that, then we'll make room for the Pure Loop 2FX all-in-one cooler, which will take up the space, and we have 3 fans for that as well. So we will magically show you the finished product. Alright, now we have our Pure Loop 2FX installed with the 3 fans in a push configuration, so air is going to go that way. And then we have our 2 other Lightwings fans that were in the front now at the top in also a push configuration. So I did have to also move the hard drive caddy, which is behind here, and I might be able to still install it by moving it over. But that was pretty painless. Now we're going to install the motherboard for my rig. I have a Intel i5 11600K, which is 6 cores and 12 threads, as well as 32 gigs of RAM and a couple different NVMe SSDs in there. So let's get to it. Alright, now we have the motherboard in and the CPU cooler installed. So last we're going to install the Pure Power 11 FM 1000 watt power supply. Alright, the Pure Power 11 FM is in. And this is the calm before the storm, but just wanted to note the fully modular nature of this works really well. And the 1000 watt has a extra PCIe option that has dual 6.6+2 cables for higher end graphics cards. So I'm going to show you the 3070 that I have, and I only had to use one output from this 1000 watt unit versus the 850. Wanted to give a quick look at the front I/O. You have a USB-C 3.1 port, USB 3.0 Type A port, power button, headphone jack and microphone, as well as the RGB button. So it will control this front strip, as well as all of the Lightwings fans on the controller. And there's lots of different effects as well to use, so it's very cool. Alright, here we are. The Be Quiet build is finished. So we have the Pure Loop 2FX all-in-one cooler and the Lightwings fans, along with the Pure Base 500 FX case and the Pure Power 11 FM, which is behind the scenes, but the cables are there. And of course we have to give you the nice peel. And a couple of cool features of this case. All of the dust filters, you have one on the top, you have one on the front, and you have one on the bottom that will get you covered to basically keep this clean. And then also it is cool is that there's sound deadening on the back panel, and I really like that it's not dual glass, because it's harder to keep quiet. Yeah, if y'all have any questions about the build, I'm going to put links to all 3 of these products in the description. And hopefully y'all enjoyed, and we will catch you in the next one.